Guys, I know I'm kind of late to my upload schedule, but it's still the weekend, guys. But I just could not escape the fact that in 3 days, Galore Tech's gonna have its 4th anniversary, and they're already celebrating it now with the cosmetics and the new plushies. I did get the plushies. I'm still saving up for more, and I'll explain that at the end. But I'm just gonna have to say it. Happy 4th birthday, Galore Tech! It is crazy how far this game went. It just started off being a simple game about monkeys playing tag, and now it's $1 million franchise. All of a monkey with no legs that's using his arms to run away from taggles. That is mind-baffling to me. And honestly, my channel wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Galore Tech. That made my channel what it is today. A funny gameplay channel where I play Galore Tech type of games, screaming horror games, all of that. I never thought I was gonna be a Galore Tech channel. So I gotta thank Lemming for making this game, because this game is just crazy. How far it went, and how amazing, how fun it is to play with friends. This game is just awesome. And most importantly, I gotta thank God that I found out this game. If I didn't find out about Galore Tech, I would probably start posting a couple months ago. Speaking of Plush videos, I am still figuring out the stupid monkey bros. I have 3 seasons in mind, okay? 3 seasons with a main story. And I'm thinking about doing another season just in case my Plush series goes viral. Which is a good possibility I will, so I have a lot of faith in that. And let's talk about those other plushies that I need, okay? The reason why I'm wanting more Galore Tech plushies from Makeship is to get the official monkey pattern. Yes, I'm gonna try my best to get the official Galore Tech plushie pattern, and I can't do it without your help. So if you guys want a Galore Tech plushie, a FNAF plushie, then go in the link below, and you'll find my commissions page. Just DM me what you want, and I'll see if I can do it, and if I can, I'll tell you the price, and then you buy it. It's that simple. I made a poll like some days ago, what game I should play next, and you guys have said Five Nights at Monkeys, so I'm gonna be playing the second night of Five Nights at Monkeys in the next video. I think I might do 2 nights, just second night and door night, yeah. But anyways, guys, that's it. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yo, look at him! Yo, look back! Stretch goals, more exclusive merch unlocks, 1,000 units sold, stickers, trading card, a banana hat! Yo! Trading card! Some graphic stickers! Yo, the lava monkey, look at him! Look at him! I love it! Yo! Look at the squishmallow! This is horrible. QJ! Yeah! Keychain looks great.